Nicake nindwa Rio miduma parachiel East African Court of Justice obicako neno kid magitiyo kwede pera matino mekoro matie katime I Uganda. Court man makelo lobo matie East African Community obicako biya chargi matek tutwalme mwenye koko matie kunogi bedo I commercial court matie Kampala magiengi wajani loktie maduong momiro kenen kid magitiyo kwede kore ke kore.
But treaty is really a well-crafted treaty which allows the citizens of the community to access the court directly without exhausting local remedies.
Lupeki lokpa Nestro Kayovera, President mi East African Community Justice Court, owaci gen gitia terra me mwenye kitman lokman woro kwede.
So we will be here from now up to 2nd December. So for the whole month, the two divisions will be here, and we are happy that we are making our job. We have been working in the court, and we make our judgments, our rulings, our decisions without fear, without favor, without interference, without ill will.
Ikin lok magoker matek miya nyamati koromo ake dul mapijenge kumgamente maklwani Center for Food and Adequate Living Rights magengetika kore kumgamente ilok meyibu pipe mobo chwalo mo mande East African crude oil pipeline konge wajene danamati area man mirokenen kit makichulo gikwede.
So deliver rulings and judgments starting from the 28th of November up to the end of our hearings on 2nd December. That will be the brief about the cases that we have, 21 cases in total.
Steven Mubiru le do tij madit mi commercial court Uganda wachi eni kare mabe tutwal pa nyweli mi Uganda minero kid magen gero matich kwede ki court man kelu perogi kamaleng.
It is a period for us, but above all it gives us an opportunity to share our resources for a very noble cause of regional justice, and we are happy and we shall extend all help and support that the court might need for the next month or so.
Dul palo pirida ite East African Court of Justice gitigen pierario wia chel kulo kongebo bedo ka mwenyu cases ma part maroma para chel moken nek dwako chalo koro botke.
We are pursuing the same purpose, is to make sure that there is a justice within our partnerships, that our citizens, our residents, even the governments, but also the community organizations, they get justice.
Kid mawan luo TV uniangwede pol palok matie kabir matek tutwalo nyo koko mo chere kotman tie ye lokmo akibot la pirida male mabirizi ma entika kwero lokom age limit kibineno tika wajini kada gamente tike plan mikonya nyweli mu Uganda mirgo nenne gi chulo jomuno awono imwagali bario kipira rio karma geno bedi jemo kibineno kimeta nyim kiwajani en tika kwerne ni President Yoweri Museveni po bedi President mada maluak mi Uganda aye bolire kui kon en wajani Electoral Commission ono miro ye kokone wek doctrine ibolo kui.
Whenever they feel any decision, any act, any whatever has been taken by the organs of the community or the partner states, their organs in the institutions of the governments, they can directly court without going through the national institutions.
Manwang mia chiel ma East African Court of Justice tika bedo kwede Uganda ni chake karma ke chak kwede mwaga pira rio wia chiel angech. Pilo angea chunye wan luo TV, Rachel Nakiwala, gen ke part Robert Larubi I Kampala.